Good afternoon. Today I'm here in Celebration. It's a town that was built by Disney Company. And it is starting to rain and we just got here. I'm trying to stay under this one umbrella that they have chairs and umbrellas. But I don't know how long we're going to be able to hang out here. They had a farmer's market today, but everybody started to pack up and they left except this fruit and vegetable place is still here. But they're packing up too. There's restaurants right next to it, across, right here. Very nice. It's a beautiful town. I love it here. Okay, it's starting to come down harder. So maybe we're going to start trying to walk back to our car. I don't know. We'll see. It has started to rain. And now we're stuck. We can't walk to our car. We got to stay here under the umbrella until maybe it slows down a little bit. Because it's really pouring. And it's starting to slow down a little bit because just a few seconds ago it was really coming down hard. Okay, let's wait here for a few. I just got this beef jerky, buffalo. This doesn't say Buffalo Bob. I guess that's the name of the company, but it's alligator meat. Never had it before, so I bought it and I'm gonna eat it later, not now. Hope I like it. I've had the alligator nuggets before, and it was good. It was good. It tastes like chicken, kind of chewy. So we'll see this the way this is. I'll let you know after I try it. It stopped pouring rain, so now it's just kind of drizzling. It's very nice. Love it here, so I don't want to leave yet. And there's some restaurants right here, right across, which I have ate before. I ate at this one right here in the corner, and I ate at the other one next door. Let's take a walk right here and just look around and see what it looks like. It's very nice. It's so serene here. People are very friendly. Love it here. Oh, okay. They have a plastic right there because you could eat outside. On that, some of these restaurants they have like tables outside, but I noticed this one they have a plastic, so when it rains, you won't get wet. There's a Starbucks right across. We always go and get our Starbucks right here. Beautiful colors of buildings. Beautiful design. And there's a Mexican restaurant over here. I haven't tried this one yet, but I would love to. Maybe on next time when I come, because we just finished having breakfast not too long ago and I am very full. But there's a Mexican restaurant right over here. Let me cross right here. There's no cars. You can properly walk on the street. It's right here. And there's that big hotel over here. Celebration. Let's walk over here. There it is. Very beautiful. There's a bike right here by the hotel, that Celebration Hotel. They do have an area where they do rent bicycles, scooters, and yeah, you can go around the lake because they have a beautiful lake and you can go around it. There's a walkway around the lake. You could walk. You could take a walk down there. Just stroll around. This is the entrance. Look at that building. The design. They have a Starbucks in here too. This is on the inside. There's a bar. This is, I came outside the balcony or the patio, whatever. It's a patio. The pool's right here. It's right outside. They have their pool out here. And right there at the end of the lake, there's a walkway. There's a bridge. You cross over the bridge while you're walking on the pathway. And it goes all the way around. And it goes back this way, all the way around the lake. This is a very beautiful place. I love this place here. I always make sure I come back over here because I just love it so much. Who knows, maybe someday I'll move over here. Who knows? Nobody knows. Let's see, there's some people walking on the path. Let me see if I can catch them on my camera. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they're over there on the pathway. It's very nice. People walk there with their dogs, with their strollers, just enjoying the evening, the day, whatever. Okay, let's continue. This is at Starbucks. I came to get some Frappuccino drinks, so I'm just waiting for them to be done. Well, we had a wonderful time here. We spent a couple of hours here in Celebration. It was very nice, very enjoyable. Love it. I keep saying love it because I really do. I want to move here one day. Maybe that day will come soon. I don't know. But yeah, we're leaving Celebration. We have other things we need to go take care of. So that's going to be it for today. And I'll be back. For sure I'll be back. As long as God lets me live, I'll be back. And let me just walk over here. I want to show you this other part of the street. How nice it is. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.